Ni mwaki munene uria uratuthukire nyumba-ini ya Onjoria iria itoikaine ta Malik Heights mwena wa barabara ya Ngong, na uria utigite Onjoria nyumba-ini ino na hathara nene, kuona aingi ao matinahota guthara indo ciao.
Moto ni kama ilianzia chini kwa sababu tuliona moto ikitokea hapa chini ikienda juu. Hiyo ndio maana nikaita wenzangu nikamwambia unisaidie kupiga kelele ili watu waone kenye inatendeka hapa.
Ahori biacara nyumba-ini ino maugite macungiriirio guthie hathara nene, kuona aingi ao makoragwo maigite biacara cia mamilioni ma mbeca.
Definitely there is one owner. He don't sell behalf of anybody, but he is the owner, one owner. So they have very big high-end cars. It's a big loss.
Akiaria riria arekinyirie nyumba-ini ino, gavana wa Nairobi Mike augite uthuthuria ni ukwambikwo niguo gukurana kihumo kia mwaki uyu.
As you can see, the various investigative agencies are around. So at the moment we cannot comment on anything as we are still waiting to know what is the cause of the fire.
Kurerikana mwaki uyu urambiriirie gorofa-ini ya mbere nyumba-ini ino, na kuria nginyanagia na riu kihumo kiaguo gitiri kirakurikana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Wanjikũ.